Christmas just finished, and now people are asking you questions. How was your Christmas? What did you do? Did you have a good time?
And maybe you want to answer. You want to share, but in English, you're not sure what to say.
You think, was it good? Was it nice? How do I explain? What words do I use?
And that's completely normal, because talking about your holiday in English can feel difficult, even if it was a simple, quiet Christmas.
But here's the good news. You don't need long, complicated answers. You just need a few simple phrases. And today, we're going to practice those phrases together.
So if someone asks you, "How was your Christmas?" you'll know exactly what to say.
Hello, and welcome to Life English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. We're really happy you're here today.
Life English is a place where you can practice real English, English for real conversations. We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we repeat things many times.
This is not a lesson. This is practice. You don't need to take notes. You don't need to remember everything. Just listen. Just relax.
And you don't need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect, not even us.
That's right. So take your time. Be patient with yourself. And let's talk about Christmas.
So, Sarah, how was your Christmas?
My Christmas was nice. It was quiet. I spent time with my family.
That sounds lovely. So you spent time with your family. That's very common.
Yes, spent time with my family. That means I was with them. We were together. We talked, we ate together, we enjoyed the day.
Spent time with my family. This is a really useful phrase. You can use it for Christmas, for holidays, for weekends.
Exactly. I spent time with my family. I spent time with my friends. I spent time at home.
So your Christmas was nice. Nice is a good word. It's simple. It's positive.
Yes, it was nice. It was good. These are easy answers, and they work perfectly.
It was nice. It was good. You don't need to say more if you don't want to.
That's right. Someone asks, "How was your Christmas?" You can just say, "It was nice." That's enough.
Or, it was good. Simple, easy, natural.
And what about you, Daniel? How was your Christmas?
My Christmas was good. I stayed home. I relaxed.
Oh, you stayed home. That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I stayed home. That means I didn't go anywhere. I didn't travel. I was at my house.
Stayed home. This is another important phrase. I stayed home. Many people stayed home this Christmas.
Yes, maybe you stayed home too, and that's completely okay. Staying home can be very nice.
Absolutely. You can stay home and have a wonderful Christmas. You don't need to travel.
I stayed home. I relaxed. Relaxed means I rested. I didn't work. I didn't rush. I just enjoyed the time.
I relaxed. That's a beautiful phrase. I relaxed at home. I relaxed with my family.
Yes, I relaxed. I watched movies. I ate good food.
Oh, you watched movies. What did you watch?
I watched some Christmas movies. Old ones, classic ones. It was very cozy.
I watched movies. This is something many people do at Christmas. It's relaxing, it's enjoyable.
Yes, I watched movies. I watched TV. You can use this phrase for Christmas, for weekends, anytime.
And you said you ate good food. Tell me more.
Yes, I ate good food. We had a big dinner. Turkey, vegetables, dessert. Everything was delicious.
I ate good food. This is perfect for Christmas because Christmas is often about food, right?
Exactly. I ate good food. I ate too much. I think everyone eats too much at Christmas.
Yes, that's very common. I ate good food. I ate with my family.
So, those are some simple ways to talk about Christmas. It was nice. It was good. I spent time with my family. I stayed home. I relaxed. I watched movies. I ate good food.
And there's one more important phrase, visited family.
Yes, visited family. This means you went to see your family. Maybe you went to your parents' house, or your sister's house, or your grandparents' house.
I visited family. I visited my parents. This is very common at Christmas.
So maybe you didn't stay home, maybe you visited family, and that's wonderful too.
Yes, I visited family. I spent time with them. I ate good food there.
And what about traveling? Did you travel, Sarah?
No, I didn't travel. I stayed in my city. But some people travel at Christmas.
Yes, I traveled or I didn't travel. Both are fine. Both are normal.
I traveled to see family. Or I didn't travel. I stayed home. You can use either one.
Exactly. There's no right or wrong answer. Your Christmas is your Christmas.
So let's review all these phrases because we've talked about a lot.
Yes, let's go slowly. First, when someone asks, "How was your Christmas?" you can say, "It was nice."
Or it was good.
Then you can add more information. I spent time with my family.
I stayed home.
I visited family.
I ate good food.
I watched movies.
I relaxed.
I traveled or I didn't travel.
These are all simple, natural answers, and you can use them together.
For example, my Christmas was nice. I spent time with my family. I ate good food.
Or, it was good. I stayed home and relaxed and watched movies.
See, you don't need long, complicated sentences, just a few simple phrases.
And it's okay if your Christmas was quiet. It's okay if you didn't do much. You can still answer the question.
Yes, my Christmas was quiet. I stayed home. It was nice. That's a perfect answer.
You don't need to impress anyone. You just need to share a little bit, and that's enough.
Now, let's practice. I'm going to give you some simple answers to the question, "How was your Christmas?" Listen carefully. You can repeat them out loud if you want.
Yes. Pause the video, listen again, repeat. Practice as many times as you need.
Okay, here are some examples. Example 1. My Christmas was nice. I spent time with my family. We ate good food together. Example 2. It was good. I stayed home. I relaxed and watched movies. Example 3. My Christmas was quiet. I visited my parents. We had dinner and talked. Example 4. It was really nice. I didn't travel. I stayed home and relaxed. Example 5. My Christmas was good. I spent time with my family. We ate, we talked, and we enjoyed the day.
Perfect. Those are all natural, simple answers. Did you hear the pattern?
You start with, "It was nice," or "It was good." Then you add one or two more details.
Yes. You don't need to tell the whole story, just a few simple phrases.
Now, let's listen to a short conversation. Two people talking about Christmas. Listen.
Hi. How was your Christmas?
"It was really nice, thanks. I spent time with my family. What about you?"
Mine was good. I stayed home. I relaxed and watched some movies.
That sounds perfect. Did you eat good food?
Yes, we had a big dinner. It was delicious.
That's lovely. I'm glad you had a nice Christmas.
Thank you. You too.
Good. That was a simple, natural conversation. Two people asking and answering.
Did you notice? They didn't give long, detailed answers, just simple phrases, and the conversation felt warm and friendly.
Exactly. That's how real conversations work. You don't need to say everything, just share a little.
And now you can do the same. You can answer the question, how was your Christmas?
Before we continue, we want to ask you something.
If this video is helping you, please click the like button. It really supports us.
And if you want more calm, simple English practice, subscribe to Life English. We make new videos every week.
And if you know someone learning English, share this video with them. Let's practice together.
Thank you so much. Now, let's keep going.
Let's review the key phrases one more time. Listen carefully. Repeat if you want.
How was your Christmas?
How was your Christmas? This is the question people ask.
It was nice.
It was nice. A simple, positive answer.
It was good.
It was good. Another simple answer.
I spent time with my family.
I spent time with my family. I was with them. We were together.
I stayed home.
I stayed home. I didn't go anywhere. I was at my house.
I visited family.
I visited family. I went to see them. Maybe my parents. Maybe my relatives.
I ate good food.
I ate good food. We had a nice meal. It was delicious.
I watched movies.
I watched movies. I relaxed. I enjoyed some films.
I relaxed.
I relaxed. I rested. I didn't work. I enjoyed my time.
I traveled.
I traveled. I went somewhere. Maybe to another city.
I didn't travel.
I didn't travel. I stayed in my city. I stayed home.
Excellent. These are your phrases. Use them. Practice them.
And remember, your answer doesn't need to be long. Just say what feels true for you.
My Christmas was nice. I stayed home. That's enough. That's perfect.
You're doing great. You really are.
Now we have a small challenge for you. But it's not really a challenge. It's practice.
We want you to write one sentence in the comments, just one sentence in English.
Tell us, how was your Christmas?
You can use the phrases we practiced today. Keep it simple. Keep it short.
For example, you could write, my Christmas was nice.
Or, I spent time with my family.
Or, it was good. I stayed home.
Any answer is perfect. This is just practice. There's no right or wrong.
So pause the video if you want. Think about your answer, write it in the comments, then come back.
We love reading your comments. It helps us understand you, and it helps you practice.
So please, share with us. How was your Christmas?
We're almost finished. Thank you so much for being here today.
You did a wonderful job. You listened, you practiced, and that's what matters.
Now you know how to answer the question, how was your Christmas? You have the phrases, you have the confidence.
It was nice. It was good. I spent time with my family. I stayed home. I visited family. I ate good food. I watched movies. I relaxed.
These phrases are yours now. Use them in real conversations, with your friends, with your colleagues, anytime someone asks.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.
Every time you practice, you get better. Every time you speak, you improve.
So keep going, keep practicing, and be kind to yourself.
We're so proud of you. We'll see you in the next video.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.